Come. They're thieves.
What's going on?
This is my car. Inside is his car. He is her phone. No, this is my car. The one.
Stop it! Oh my God! Somebody just stole it.
She's stealing their car.
You're stealing the car.
Yeah, we called the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops. It's been called. It's been called. It's been called. It's been called. They stole the car. These girls stole the car.
Hey, come out.
Hey, they stole the car. They stole the car. These girls.
Who else?
That's it.
Everybody's out.
Everybody step back from the car. I'm gonna need everybody to step back from the car.
Please, my phone is in there.
No. I need you to step back from the car. Everybody, I need you to step back from the scene. Is somebody
I saw what happened.
Oh, no. I need everybody to step back. There's gas leaking.
Yeah, hey, back up.
I seen it down there.
Cell phone video taken high above N Street Southeast shows the immediate aftermath of the crash. The blurred, motionless figure at the top of your screen is Muhammad Anwar. Police say he was in the 1200 block of Van Street Southeast Tuesday afternoon when two teenage girls armed with a taser carjacked him. A witness told News 4 Anwar struggled with the teens before his gray sedan crashed into a parked car and flipped over on its side. The 66-year-old died at the hospital. Video shows National Guard troops who were in the area pull the two girls, ages 13 and 15, from the car. They've both been charged with felony murder and armed carjacking. Today, they made their first appearance in